Welcome to day 6 of the Ajuvo Health Happy Hip Club. Today we're going to be lying again on a bed or a mat or a carpet and lengthen one leg along the floor, and then taking the bent leg, lift it up and over and place your foot by your knee. Just check your tummies in. Keep the shoulders placed, so we want to think of the underarms drawing down to the back of the hips to keep the shoulders placed. All right, then we want to just blow to go and take the top knee over, and then at your end point stay there and breathe. Check the shoulders not lifting, keep it beautifully placed. Think of the underarm drawing down all the time to help. And as you breathe into the tightness, you'll be experiencing a lower back and a hip stretch. And 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Blow to go again to come back to your start. And then obviously you would go to the other side to keep both sides equal. But for now, we'll go on to part 2. We want to cross one leg, snug over the other at the knee, all the way over and getting rid of any of the gaps. As I say, please mind the gaps. Okay, pop your hand around your thighs. You can either put it around here or around the back. Bring it all in towards the chest until you get a point where you feel tightness in your buttock. Breathe into the tightness and circle. 1, 2, 3. Change direction. Think of the tightness melting. 3, 2, 1. Pause. Release the whole shape off a little bit. Bring it back in, but take the top knee slightly over to the opposite shoulder. You'll probably feel an increased tightness. Stay with it. Breathe into it. If it's too much, you can always ease up a little bit. And now I'd like you to take tiny little movements across the chest. So not circles this time, but just backwards and forwards. Like you're massaging the tightness away. You're right on that point and you're working into it. Yeah. This is where I often say in class that grimacing doesn't improve the stretch.
This is a smile.
Yeah, it's a lovely smile. All right. And then lower back down. And then you would go to the other side. And again, it might be nice if you wanted to, just to take your knees into your chest when you've done both sides. Yeah. All right. So thank you for joining us. And we will see you tomorrow for day 7. Don't forget that every time you sit down for a meal or a cup of tea, you'll come back to crossing the ankle over the ankle or crossing the ankle over the knee and just encouraging your top knee to open out.